Here is the step which you use to customize your output into your own language. Now we've launched a public app, so you don't have to write all this complicated stuff. What you will do is that this is the original step you customized. Just replace it to this app. Convert. Yeah, it's called output. Convert the output into your own language. Confirm and just config the output as the previous step and the language as your input language. And okay, it's all done. Just click update. Now I believe you can use it now. Let's have a test. This is the product and toggle on the step by step. And the standard output is English. And let's see how it will convert it to Slovene. Okay, I believe it worked. Enjoy it and have fun.